Hi guys, we from group 7 and we will presentation about article. Before we presentation, we will introduce our group. First, Alvina Septiana. Second, Laila Anggraini Kusuma Wardani. Third, Rengganis Duyanti Putri. Fourth, Salma Fauzia. And the last one, Shirley Olivia Haliza. What is articles? Articles are words that define a noun as specific or unspecific. Basically, articles are an adjective. Like adjectives, articles modify nouns. And articles are known as articula in bahasa. This is how to use articles a and the. A is used in front of singular countable nouns like a person, animal, or things, which are not specific. We didn't use a before uncountable or plural nouns. If a noun starts with a consonant sound like B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, etc., a comes before the noun. And then an is used in front of singular countable nouns which are not specific. We don't use a before uncountable or plural nouns. If the noun starts with a vowel sound like A, E, I, O, U, and comes before the noun. And then we use the in front of all nouns. Like it does not matter whether the nouns are singular, plural, countable, or uncountable to describe someone or something specific, unique. Articles have many rules defined. First, when we use the. 1. We use the to refer to something which has already been mentioned. For example, I was walking past Benny's bakery when I decided to go into the bakery to get some bread. 2. We use the when you assume there is just one of something in that place, even if it hasn't been mentioned before. For example, our house is across from the Italian restaurant. 3. We use the in the sentence or clauses where you define or identify a particular person or object. For example, I live in the small house with a blue door. 4. We use the with decades. For example, this is a painting from the 1820s. 5. We use the to refer to people or objects that are unique. For example, the president will be speaking on TV tonight. 6. We use the before superlative or ordinal numbers. For example, this is the third time I have called you today. 7. We use the with adjectives to refer to a whole group of people. For example, he has given a lot of money to the poor. 8. We use the with names of geographical areas, rivers, mountain range, group of islands, canals, and oceans. For example, do you know anyone who lives in the Philippines? After we know about when we use the, and we must know when not to use the. 1. Do not use the with the names of language. For example, English uses many words of Latin origin. 2. Do not use the with the names of meals. For example, I like to eat breakfast early. 3. Do not use the with the people's names. For example, John is coming over later. 4. Do not use the with uncountable noun. For example, rice is an important food in Asia. 5. Do not use the with most name of towns, streets, stations, and airports. For example, can you direct me to Bond Street? This is the second rule in definite articles. When to use a or an. We use a or an to refer to an example of something. For example, it was a very strange car. And then we use a or an with singular nouns after the words what and such. For example, she's such a beautiful girl. Next, we use a or an to refer to something for the first time. For example, an elephant and a mouse fell in love. And then we use a or an with names of job. For example, my father is a dentist and my mother is an oculist. And then we use a or an with nationalities and religions in the singular. For example, John is an Englishman and he is a Catholic. And last, we use a or an with the names of days of the week when not referring to any particular day. For example, I was born on a Thursday. Okay guys, thank you for watching and thank you for your attention. If you have any question, you can ask our group and we will answer your question. So thank you very much.